Hello, it's me Alexey, and today I will show you how to create animation in Figma and export it to Lottie. Let's jump into Figma, create frame. Let's set the size 400 by 400. And we need to create a circle. Let's make it green. And set the size to 360. Now we duplicate this circle and make it slightly smaller, 300. Now select both and we'll subtract one circle from the other to create this shape. What's next? We create a rectangle, a square, and we are going to subtract this square from the shape as well. Now we have this kind of shape. Let's call it spinner. Let's remove the fill color from the frame and duplicate this frame a few times, just so we have 5 frames in total. Now select the second frame and we turn the spinner by 90 degrees. Now frame number 3 and turn the spinner by 180 degrees. Now I think you got the idea what will happen next. And the last frame is the same as the first frame. Now we're gonna animate them. So we jump to prototype tab, select the first frame and drag the arrow to the second frame. We'll set the delay for 1 millisecond. Smart animate should be set here, and linear 300 milliseconds, a bit too little, let's set 400 milliseconds. Now select the second frame, drag the arrow here. And here we need just to set the delay 1 millisecond. Same goes with the frame number 3 and frame number 4. Let's check our animation. Okay, looks pretty nice. We can actually loop it and drag the arrow from the last frame to the first frame, but set it to instant, like this. Not on click, after delay. And the animation is looped. How do we export this to Lottie? Let me show you. So we open lottiefiles.com and we need to install the Figma plugin for Lottie. I have it already installed, you just need to click here and install this plugin for your Figma. You also need to create an account on this website. You will have 10 spaces for your animations for free, so don't worry, you can experiment as much as you want. I have my account created. All I need is just run the Figma plugin, Lottie files. Here I select export to Lottie. I will select the flow number 1, this one, and save to workspace. Select this workspace, click save, and it's done. Now you can even insert it as a GIF file or insert it as SVG, but we need Lottie to be able to use it on websites and mobile apps. So I go to my dashboard and see this animation here. pretty smooth, and the JSON file, which is the Lottie animation itself, is just 4.6 kilobytes. And if I download this file, then I can give it to developers so they can install this file into the mobile app or website I designed. This is a really useful way to create an animation. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.